Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to private message on Roblox. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps. And before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to simply open Roblox homepage as shown right here. Then what you should do right now is to simply go to more options right here, then go to settings, and after that go to privacy, and now you have to turn on the chat for everyone. So you can select everyone below this option right here, and you can also choose everyone right here. So make sure to set both of these options everyone. Then now go back and try to open any game that you want. I'm gonna open this one here for example, and now what you should do is to simply click on the slash button and it will open the chat. Now you have to type slash then W then space, and now you have to type any name of any player that you want to send him privately. So I'm gonna chat to this one right here. So I'm gonna type capital A, and as you can see it will show me directly the player that starts with letter capital A. But this is because players are limited and there's only one player that starts with the A letter. So now I can send him any message. Let me send him hello for example. Or you have another option is to simply click on his name directly from the chat, and you will be able also to send him privately. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all, and see you guys in a new video.